One of the things we love about the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the phone's incredible battery life. It's so good we're still coming to terms with it, and we're not the only ones highly impressed by this performance. Popular YouTube channel Phone Buff is back with another showdown between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time, both phones went through a practical battery test, and Apple indeed was able to keep its title of the Undisputed battery life champ. But things got really close, and Samsung fared much better than any other previous Android phone. When it came to Phone Buff's drop test, the Galaxy S23 Ultra performed a bit better, compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Both devices were still functional even after 4 rounds of drops. When it comes to the speed test, the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max were almost neck to neck. Now in the rigorous battery test, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max's 4323 mAh battery, the iPhone emerged victorious in the battery life tests, all thanks to the advantage of the custom-designed hardware and software and considerably limited multitasking. When speaking about hardware as important as the battery, it is important to go through the specifications. Considering all of this, the iPhone 14 Pro Max outlasting the Galaxy S23 Ultra by 38 minutes is not very impressive. The S23 Ultra lasted for 27 hours and 6 minutes before bidding adieu, while the iPhone died after 27 hours and 44 minutes. Although the S23 Ultra didn't last as long as the iPhone, it offers more features, proper multitasking, and it pushes more pixels to drive the higher resolution screen. This test again shows how crucial custom hardware and software tuned for a device could help give better results. Meanwhile, DxOMark published their findings regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery life. And as far as ultra-premium phones go, the S23 Ultra sits at the top of their list ahead of devices like the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the iPhone 14 Plus. DxOMark says their S23 Ultra can last 2 days and 19 hours on a single charge. As for pros and cons, the phone's battery life earned points in moderate use, reaching nearly 67 hours of usage. It was rated excellent when watching videos, but interestingly enough, it rated poorly in other activities like using the camera or listening to music. The source also notes that battery life collapsed once it reached 5%. This seems to be a common issue with Samsung Galaxy phones. These results are surely better than DxOMark's camera ranking, where the S23 Ultra barely made it into the top 10 lists in both the global and ultra-premium categories. If you want to learn more about what we think of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, you can check out my full review video on my channel and share your thoughts about the S23 lineup too. See you for the next time. Peace out.